Hello and welcome back to Sunil Computer Tricks. So today in this lesson we will learn about cyber threats and all about viruses. Cyber threats have existed since 1975 when Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak invented the first personal computer, the Apple I. With the advent of personal computers came problems with hackers. People who want to gain unauthorized access to your personal information either for profit or to perform mischievous acts. A cyber threat is deemed any malicious act that attempts to gain access to your computer network without authorizations or permissions from the owners. Let's investigate the types of cyber threats that exist and what damages they can accomplish on your network. First, we will start from Trojans. The most common type of cyber threat is Trojan. A Trojan or Trojan horse is a program that claims to do something, but it actually does something that is not required. Trojan is also known as a backdoor. In most cases, a user launches it and thinking it is a genuine program, but it affects files in such a way that it gets a complete control over the files. It damaged files by deleting and modifying data in them. For example, a Trojan may pose as a computer game, but when it is executed, it may also delete files from your systems or email passwords stored on your systems to the Trojan writer's email address. Trojans is not a self-reflecting, but they are destructive in nature. Trojans also allow remote users and hackers to gain unauthorized access to your systems. The Trojan Sub-7 allows a hacker to take control of the mouse, eject the CD-ROM drive, and delete, download, upload files from the system. Let's see the second one. It's the worms. Worms are self-reflecting programs that spread to the systems through a network or internet. It overloads memory or hard disk space by reflecting repeatedly. Instead of alternating the file, it resides in the system's memory and spreads without attaching itself to a file. They may cause damage to the system such as deleting files from the systems and may also slow down the systems. For example, the worm can cause damage such as sending mass emails. It can also clog email server. The third one is malware. Malware is malicious code planted on your computer and it can give the attacker a truly alarming degree of control over your system, network, and data without your knowledge. Malicious code delivered through a web browser, email clients, backdoor, Trojan horse, and kernel level manipulations. There are many types of malwares are available, just like spam, pop-off, spyware, adware, logic bombs. The fourth one is adware. Adware is a software that installed on your computer to show you advertisements. Adware can slow your PC by using RAM and CPU cycle. Adware can also slow your internet connections by using bandwidth to retrieve advertisement. In addition, adware can waste hug amount of your time by popping unwanted ads onto your screen, which required you to close them before you can get back to using your PC. The fifth one is microviruses. Microviruses is a small program content in a document that can be automatically executed either when the document is first loaded or later by pressing a key combinations. Macroviruses automates frequently performed tasks when it is embedded in a program file such as a Word document or an Excel. Macroviruses are spread via email attachment, disks, networks, modems, and the internet. The next one is polymeric viruses. Polymeric viruses are coded in such a way that they infect a system and change their signature before infecting the next system. The antivirus software finds it difficult to identify these viruses as it looks different after every infection. It also changes the virus's signature frequently to prevent antivirus software from detecting it. The next and last one is spyware. Spyware stores personal information and surfing habits of the users and sends them to its website without informing the user. While installing an application, many spywares get installed as a free download. Many problems in the systems indicated that if spyware's software is installed, like unwanted advertisement pop-ups, even when not connected to the web browser settings are changed automatically. Unable to remove unwanted toolbar from the web browser. Computer performance slow down. Computer crashes very frequently. Spywares can be removed from the systems by installing some kind of anti-spyware program. The user can also use software tools available from McAfee, Hardware, and Symantec.